Hello, plastic model builders. Welcome back. It's me, Ari, your host of Plastic Model Builder. So what we've got here is the Bandai Mu O2 kit. It's a quick kit. You build it really quick. This is the box right here. Open it up. I'll show you the parts that are inside. We've got one plastic bag. Has 2 part sprues in there with colored parts and the stickers. These are the instructions. You got 7 steps. I think there are like 18 or 19 parts to this kit, not a lot. You can see how to do everything there. Got 2 part sprues, A1 and A2, and you see the colors right down there. And then, of course, quick view of the stickers. Those are the eyes. So let's get to building this. Remember, subscribe to my channel, comment, like. I always try to at least attend the preview that we do whenever we do it. So join us for the premiere. Is what the word I was looking for, the premiere. So you saw we just put the stickers onto those eyes. We're going to take this little piece here. It is in white plastic, just slowly puts into the face, presses down, really simple. There's a back side to this head. You see right there what it looks like. We're going to attach the head to this. One piece, not a lot to it, just snaps right in place, just like that. Then you've got your body. The body is 2 pieces, and it's got sections for the feet and the arms. So easy connectors, goes together just like this. Real simple. We put our arms together. Those are 2 pieces. Each arm fits together very simply, just like you see. Take that, kind of just slides inwards, and the arm is positioned upward, pointing out, so kind of like so he's holding his face. Just press that in place. You'll feel it click a little bit. And do the same thing with the other arm, which you see here. Goes together, goes inside of the model. Very easy. Got our feet. They're 3 pieces. Right? You got this little orange piece right here. Goes on the bottom of the foot. It's molded in orange plastic, as you see. You don't have to paint it. It's a little hard to get in because it's a small piece, but just kind of put it in like I do and then just press it down. Goes in. Assemble your feet together. Make it look pretty. Some model making madness. The feet don't smell, so that's a good thing. You see it's shaped right there. Each foot can only go on one way, so you can't make that mistake. Got your 2 feet on. Put the head onto this. Right here. This is how quick this build is. It's a cute little figure, I will say that. Here's the tail. It's 2 pieces. Put that piece on. Slip the tail in. And guess what? The tail moves around. See that? Got a point of articulation. And then, of course, we have the base. Mu sits lovely in its base. Turns ever so slightly. In review, it's a great little kit, molded in pink, orange, and white plastics. Has 2 decals. Goes together about 19 parts. 1 point of articulation. It's got the clear base. It will stand up on your own. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, I'll see ya.